Hey, can I tell you why you'd want to work in sales for this company? So here it is. When you come to work for us, you'll be working for the best contractor in the region. We aren't here to do business like every other contractor. We are here to redefine our industry. That means we provide our customers with a remarkable experience from start to finish. And we stand behind the solutions we provide them. So this is a company you can truly be proud to represent. We also believe that our employees are our most valuable asset and should be treated that way every single day. That's not just a slogan, it's who we are. In this role, you'll be provided with a proven sales process, and as you learn and follow it, you'll experience incredible success and earn a generous commission for your hard work. That allows you to control your own destiny. Unlike other sales jobs, we provide the sales leads, no cold calling. We also supply you with the most advanced software tools, materials, and training in the industry, setting you apart from everyone else and setting you up for success. Each day, you'll be rewarded for helping our customers solve their problems and enjoy their home again. There really is no other sales career like this one. If you want to work for the best and help us redefine this industry, call us today.